your head more. Hi, cutie. Are you making a mess? Are you making a mess? What do you see down there? Did you find your feetsies?
Sari, where's mommy? Where's mommy? Oh.
Hi! Are you making a mess? Are you playing in your bath? Are you playing in your bath? Is your daddy silly? Sari, are you the silliest girl? Are you the silliest girl? Can you give us a smile? Where are you hiding those smiles? Where are you hiding those smiles?